Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine at home and safe. Okay? Today our subject is grammar. Lesson number 6. Has and have. Worksheet 2. See children, see, first we have done lesson 6. All chapter we have done and we all have done that exercise also. Then we did worksheet number 1. So this time, today, we will do worksheet number 2. Yes, so that you will get practice of has and have in the sentence. Okay, so worksheet number 2. So we will do more sentences about has and have. Understood? Do you have remember this? Yes. So see now. So what we will do today? Today we will revise use of has and have in the sentences. We will use has and have in the sentences. Okay? Are you ready for this? Yes, I hope you all be knowing each and every sentence where has will come and where have will come in the sentence. We have done textbook exercises also and we have done worksheet 1 also. So, this time we will do worksheet number 2. Okay, which worksheet? Worksheet 2 means we will do more exercises, more sentences of has and have, so that you will be able to understand it properly, okay, without any confusion. Understood? Yes. See now what we have to do here. Fill in the blanks with has or have. You have to fill the blanks. See here, blanks are given. You have to fill with has. Now you all know HS has spelling. HAVE have. You all know the spelling of have also. Okay? Yes, see here, there is a boy. Yes, he is having how many boxes are there? Can you see? See the boxes. There is a big box. Then again there is a one box. Then a small one is at the top. So there are 3 boxes. 1, 2 and 3. That boy is having that boxes. Okay. So number 1, sentence number 1. You have to use has or have. Now see, it is he. It is for this boy. He. We used he for a boy or a man. So he blank. See here, you have to write answer. Has or have. He dash 3. THREE 3. See here, 3 boxes. 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 He dash 3 boxes. He, what will be the answer? Can you know this answer? Can you remember what will come with he? Yes. Very good. So he has. He has 3 boxes. Okay? He has 3 boxes. Understood this? He has 3 boxes. HAS. Has is a one person. Only one boy. So it is he. Answer will be he has 3 boxes. Understood this sentence? Yes. So he has. Now again. See now what is the picture? There are eggs. Yes. See, can you see there are eggs in a plate? So there are they. THEY they means more than one person. THEY they. Dash 3 eggs. So what will come here? I told you what will come with they. What is always used with more than one person? They. Yes, they. What will come? THEY. They dash 3 eggs. Eggs. They have. HAVE. Have 3 eggs. They have 3 eggs. They means more than one person. Okay? They have 3 eggs. Understood? See this sentence. They have 3 eggs. Okay? Have you understood this sentence? See again, read. They have 3 eggs. Understood? Yes. Now see sentence number 3. Third sentence. See, there is a girl. Picture of a girl. That girl, there is a bag. She is carrying the bag. Okay. The girl name is Sita. What is the girl name? Sita. Sita. Then there is a blank. There you have to use has or have. Sita dash a new bag. Sita is a girl. Only one girl, one person. So what will be the answer? Can you remember? Yes, student, can you give me the answer? Sita has a new bag. Sita has a new bag. Sita has a new bag. See the picture. Sita is having a new bag. Sita has new bag. Okay. SITA. Sita HS has a NEW. 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 BAG. 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 Okay. Sita has a new bag. Understood this sentence? See number 3. Sita has a new bag. Sita is a girl. It is the name of a girl. So, one person. We use has. Sita has a new bag. Do you remember this? Yes. Okay. Now, see sentence number 4. There are 2 girls. Number 4 is girls dash dolls. 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 Girls dash dolls. So, what will be the girls are? Girls means 2 girls, more than one person. Can you see the girls? 2 girls are there. They are playing with dolls. Both of them are having dolls. Okay. So, girls means more than one. 2 girls. Okay, more than one. So, what you have to use? More than one. Girls in the blank, you will use have. Girls have dolls. Girls have dolls. 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 Girls have dolls. Okay, number 4. Girls have dolls. Understood this? Okay. Now see sentence number 5. The car. Can you see the picture of a car? This is very new. Okay. See, there is car. Can you see the wheels? See, here are wheels. Can you see the wheels? The wheels are new. Because car is new, wheels are also new. Yes. So, car, how many wheels a car have? Car has 4 wheels. Okay. So, sentence number 5. The car dash FOUR 4 wheels. 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 You know the wheels? Yes. See here. The wheels. Number 5. The car, it is a thing. So what will be the answer here? One only, one thing, not more than one thing. One thing dash 4 wheels. So what will be the answer here? Yes, can you remember this answer? The car has 4 wheels. The car has 4 wheels. Okay? The car has 4 wheels. See now number 6. There is a picture of a drum. Can you see the drum? This is called drum. Number 6. Yes, you must be having at your home a toy drum. Yes, many of them are playing with this. Okay? Number 6. The drum. See the spelling of drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. It is a thing. The drum is a thing. So, drum dash 2 sticks. See, can you see these sticks? We hold this stick and we play the drum. The drum dash 2 sticks. The drum, what will be the answer? The drum has 2 sticks. The drum has 2 sticks. Understood this? The drum has 2 sticks. See, there are sticks. Spelling S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. Yes, it is more important. The drum has 2 sticks. Okay, students, have you understood this sentence? This is a thing. Drum is a thing. So, the drum has 2 sticks. How many sticks? 2 sticks. So, what will come here? Has. H-A-S. Has. Understood? See now number 7. See the picture. Yes, it is an animal. Which animal is this? Can you remember? You all know. It is an elephant. See, this is a trunk. This is a trunk. These are his ears. And this is a small tail. 4 legs. Elephant is having 4 legs. This is a trunk. These are ears. And this is a small tail. Okay. Number 7. The elephant. See the spelling of elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. The elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. The elephant. It is an animal. Elephant is an animal. So, what will come here? The elephant has or have. You have to use here. A big. B-I-G. Big trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. See, can you see this trunk? The elephant dash a big trunk. Elephant is an animal. So what will come here? What will be here? The elephant is an animal. It is one animal only. So the elephant has a big trunk. The elephant has a big trunk. Okay? Have you understood this? Children, see this. Number 7. The elephant has a big trunk. The elephant has a big trunk. Do you remember this? Yes. Very one thing or one animal. It will come. Okay? Have you understood? Yes. Now see number 8. See, there is a small baby. It is very happy. Okay? Now see the sentence number 8. The baby dash a new toy. T-O-Y, toy. A new toy. The baby has or have. What will come here? The baby dash a new toy. It is having a toy in the hand of. Okay, there is only one baby. But there is only one baby, one person. Okay, so the baby dash. What will come? Has or have? The baby a new toy. It is it is in her hand, baby's hand. So the answer is the baby has. The baby has a new toy. It is one baby, no? HS has. See again. The BABY baby. The baby HAS has a NEW new TOY toy. The baby has a new toy. The baby has a new toy. Understood this sentence? Yes, I think you all have understood this. The baby has a new toy. Okay, now see here. There is a girl, there are books. See different colors of book. Can you see? Red, then green, blue and yellow. 4 books are there and 1 book she is reading. See, she is having 1 book in her hand. That girl is sitting. Okay, so now sentence number 9. She is means girl. We use she for a girl. We use she for girl. She dash many books. Books are more than 1, no? So many. 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 Many books. 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 She dash many books. So what will be the answer? She, it is a girl. So she has. She has many books. She has many books. Do you understood this? Yes. You all have understood this, no? She has many books. Okay. Now, sentence number 10. Sentence number 10. First you see the picture. What is the monkey doing? Monkey is eating banana, okay? But here you have to use has or have. Remember that. What you have to do here? Has or have. So, the monkey is holding a banana. It is eating. Number 10. Sentence number 10. THE the. MONKEY monkey. The monkey dash a banana. What you have to use here? Has or have? The monkey. What will come? The monkey has a banana. See the spelling of banana. 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 The monkey has a banana. Understood? The monkey has a banana. The monkey has a banana. Okay. Number 10, number C, number 10. The monkey. One monkey is only there. It is an animal. So, the monkey has. It is one animal. So, we use has. A banana. 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 Okay. Number 10. The monkey has a banana. Understood this sentence? Sentence number 10. Okay. All you have done this, no? The monkey has a banana. See now number 11. What is this? Can you guess? Yes, students, can you tell me the answer? Which animal is this? Yes, here it is written. It is camel. Camel, they live in the desert. They live in desert area, no? So see, they are walking. Okay. So there are many. We can see 3 camels. One is here, 2 and 3. See how many legs are they having? They are having 4 legs. And camel has 4 legs. Okay. So see the number sentence. Camels. There are more camels. Okay. 3 camels, no? More camel. More than 1 camel. So camels. C-A-M-E-L-S. Camels. More than 1 camel. Camels dash 4 legs. F-O-U-R 4 L-E-G-S legs. Camels dash 4 legs. So what will be the answer? I told you more than 1, then what have to come? What we use for more than 1? Do you remember? Here you have to use has or have. Can you answer? Yes, most of them are knowing this. Very good. Very good. Okay. Camels dash 4 legs. Camels dash 4 legs. See spelling. C-A-M-E-L-S. Camels dash. Here you have to use has or have. F-O-U-R 4 L-E-G-S legs. See here 4 legs. Camels. Okay. Camel live in desert. I told you first. There are many camels, more than 1 camels. If it is 1 camel, then also you have to use, and if there are more camels, then also we can use has or have. But we have to decide what will come here. Do you know? Yes. You can remember this? Camels have. Very good, those who have given the answer. Very good. Camels have 4 legs. Camels have 4 legs. Okay, more than 1 camel. More than 1 camel. So it is have. H-A-V-E, have. Okay, very good. Yes. Now see number 12. See sentence number 12. The children. The children. See the spelling of children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. See there are 2 children, no? 1 boy and 1 girl. 1 girl and 1 boy. They all are eating ice cream. Yes, they are walking. So, the children. See the spelling of children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Ice cream. I-C-E. Ice. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. Understood? The children. What we have to write here? Has or have? The children. What will come here? The children. H-A-V-E, have or H-A-S, has? The children. Yes. You all know the answer. Can you remember? Very good. Very good. The children, more than 1. So, it will be have. The children have ice cream. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. The children have ice cream. Okay. Number 12. The children have ice cream. Understood? See the spelling of ice cream. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. The children have ice cream. Okay? Yes, it is. Yes, they are having candy. So, what will be the answer here? Have. The children have ice cream. Understood? So, number 12. The children have ice cream. I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, cream, ice cream. Understood? Now see number 13. Okay. The children have ice cream. Understood this? Yes. See, now we will revise again all the sentences. Okay? See, he has 3 boxes. Fill in the blanks with has, have. He has 3 boxes. They dash 3 eggs. They have 3 eggs. They have 3 eggs. Sita dash a new bag. Sita has a new bag. Girls dash dolls. Girls have dolls. Girls have dolls. Number 5. The car has 4 wheels. The car has 4 wheels. Number 6. The drum has 2 sticks. The drum has 2 sticks. Number 7. The elephant has a big trunk. The elephant has a big trunk. Okay? Number 7. The elephant has big trunk. Number 8. The baby dash a new toy. The baby has a new toy. The baby has a new toy. Number 9. She dash many books. She has many books. She has many books. Number 10. The monkey has a banana. The monkey has a banana. Number 11. Camels have 4 legs. Camels have 4 legs. Number 12. The children have an ice cream. The children have ice cream. Okay. See now. Best performance homework done. Yes, in grammar. In grammar, who is doing homework? You all are doing homework now. So, one by one I will write. I will tell you who have done homework regularly. Okay. So, of grammar homework, standard 1. Sheikh Asad. Sheikh Asad is doing very well. Congratulations, Asad. Okay. And well done. Well done for your homework. Okay. Keep it up. Do your homework regularly. Okay, children? Yes, you all have to do homework regularly. Understood? So that you will be able to learn more and more new words and new sentences. So do your homework daily. Understood? Yes. So this time Sheikh Asad, who is doing very well in homework. Okay? Very good. Now see here what we have learned today. We have learned HS, has. We have learned HAVE, have. What we have learned today? HS, has, use of has, use of have. HAVE, have in the sentences. We have used HS, has and HAVE, have. How we have to use has and have in the sentences? We have learned today in today's lecture. Yes, has will come he, she, it. Okay. And have we always come with I and you. We have learned this in last lecture, but this lecture also we have learned many things. Sentences of has and have. We did worksheet number 2 today. Yes, Okay? Okay. So now you also have to do homework. Very well. Will you do your homework? Okay. Be safe at home. Okay. Do your homework regularly. So your name also will come. And best of luck for your homework. Be safe at home. Okay. Yes. And thank you all of you. Thank you. Very good. And you will be safe at home. Do your work properly. Okay. Yes.